How would you like to earn $50 over and over again in affiliate commissions? What's going on everyone, Nathan here, and in today's video I'm going to show you how you can make $50 over and over again with affiliate marketing. This is easy to do also for beginners, and I'm also going to share with you a secret that many people won't share with you regarding promoting these services. To find out all the details, all you have to do is stay with me. But first, if you're new around here, make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel because I upload videos about how to make money online, work from home opportunities, entrepreneurship and much more on a consistent basis. And make sure you also hit the notification bell so you can be notified every time I upload a new video. Alright, so as an affiliate marketer, there is tons of things and ways you can promote. We have already covered it. I'm going to show you a totally different, something different here to promote today. And as I said earlier, I'm also going to reveal to you a secret that many people won't tell you about promoting these services. So make sure you stick till the end, watch the whole video here so you don't miss out on any important information on this. And if you're interested in making a full-time passive income online with affiliate marketing and more, build a sustainable online business, I do have my #1 recommendation right here below. So make sure you check that out when we have finished this video. But for now, let's have a look at how we can make $50 PayPal commissions like this, or even more, just like this, with affiliate marketing. Alright, let's get started. What we are going to have a look at today is actually promoting web hosting. Before you jump into any conclusions, bear with me here because I'm going to share with you actually few simple ways on how you can get started even if you're a total beginner with this. So just to show you here first, this is my site, myimtips.com. I do upload all the videos, articles and stuff like that here. And if you go to the resource section, you can see that I have some banners here. So this is a great way to actually promote web hosting. Okay, you can see I have other things here also, but I do have a banner here, so when someone clicks they will arrive to web hosting. Another one could be, let's say that we go to the blog section here, and you can see that I have a lot of banners here. I promote my products, Audio Video Mastery, Daily List Profits, and here we have Fast Comet. Okay, so this is the company that I promote, I work with, and I'm going to explain to you a little bit here in detail. Now, there is a tons of hosting companies. You probably have heard that the most popular, the famous one is HostGator, Bluehost. Unfortunately, I have a very bad opinion about these companies. HostGator was very good when I started out over a decade ago, but when they were bought up by a company called EIG, I'm going to explain to you what this is. Then things really took off on the bad way, because last time before I left HostGator, I think I was in online chat for probably 2 hours, which really sucked. And I sent them an email and it took me like 5 or 6 days. I thought they were out of business or something like that, which was really horrible support. And when you have a hosting, no matter if you have a small site or a big site, you want to have good support, which is really important. So I left on, I tried some other sites there, and of course I tested tons of companies during those years. I got stuck with Fast Comet. I'm going to explain to you here also why. So by just having a quick look, if you type EIG hosting companies, okay, you can do your own research about this. You can quickly see here that they tell you to stay away from it. Okay, I'm just going to open up something that I see here. You can see here moderators. I want people to know which companies EIG controls because I sincerely want to help people avoid EIG. Alright, so I hope that you understand that this is not a good idea. And you'll probably be shocked what companies are involved here. Okay, we have Bluehost, we have HostGator, we have tons of other companies. So do your own research. I'm not going to go into detail. I usually don't like, there is HostMonster. I usually don't like to mention this, but just to mention it, I know Bluehost might pay you $65 in hosting. It is the popular site, everyone goes there and sign up, but I prefer to have satisfied customers, receive $50 commissions, and know that I can sleep well by having promoted a good web hosting company to my clients, and of course for those who are online there. So one way to promote actually is if you have a blog presence. If you don't, you can get started. You can get started for free. I share tons of ways. You can do a Blogger blog, which is totally free. You can get started with that. Write a review. Comparison is very popular. People are searching for best web hosting 2019, 2020, and so on. You can have WordPress.com, and of course, if you have a self-hosted blog or a site like I have here on myimtips.com, you should definitely add banners, and do, of course, if you have email list building, you should definitely promote that too. I usually do it from time to time, but I mostly rely on here. Now, another way you can do this is actually, you can do it in two ways, okay? So one way is that, I have mentioned this in tons of opportunities earlier, you can actually go out to offline businesses. There is tons of companies, construction companies, people who want to rent Airbnb companies and stuff like that. Whatever it is, just ask them how they have their web hosting, how they have, if they are covered with that, if not, and go ahead and explain to them that they can actually get it for a cheaper price. So what you're going to do here, I'm going to explain to you. Let's say, for example, that we go to Fastcomet here, which is the company I promote. I'm going to actually leave a link below here, so if you're interested in having a look at good hosting, you can sign up under my link if you like it, because you will also get a discounted price. And you can see here that there is 3 plans, okay? So this is for one single website. I always avoid this package, but this is a great package. I had this, I have upgraded actually to this one. You can see here that if they sign up for 3 years now, they can get it for $4.45 per month. It is very competitive with Bluehost and HostGator, with the difference that you get 10 times faster site here. They are really super fast. There are not so many people that share the IP address, which is another biggie one about shared hosting. The bigger the company, the more sites they share on a shared IP address. The IP address is something where your site is going to be hosted. So you have tons of benefits actually to promote this company here, okay? And of course, if you're interested in signing up here, I can guarantee you will be super satisfied. I've been working for over a year now with this company. Great support, get always replied back, and really, really nice. So as I said, I'm going to leave a link below so you can sign up if you want to. And what you do is you go to, if you don't want to promote Fastcomet, fair enough, you can go for something else. You look for affiliate program, and you can see here, I'm just going to cover Fastcomet's affiliate program here. Partner with us and earn money for helping us spread the word. Joining our program is absolutely free, and you get paid each time you refer a new customer to Fastcomet, plus sign-up bonuses. So there is even sign-up bonuses, you can make even more. And they do explain here, it is real-time tracking, they have a long cookie duration. So what happens is that from 1 up to 5 sales in any given month, you make $50 commissions. If you are working heavily on this and you make more commissions, you can make $75 per sale. Okay, so from 6 sales and upwards, you make $75 per sale. and then if you get over 10, you can make $100 per sale, or this is even more, 125. And this is for shared hosting. Now if someone decides for going for a bigger package, which is a VPN hosting, you can see it starts for $75 and goes up to $150, and then you have dedicated hosting from $100 up to $200 per sale. So I'm just mentioning $50 because I think this is a realistic amount to get started with, to actually go out, tell people. And if you don't want to actually go out, okay, you can do this via phone, or you can just go to Google, start to search for local businesses here, contact them via an email, do a video, for example, like I did here, with some screenshots. And what you can do is you can tell them that I appreciate if I recorded a video for you, especially here. If this is something that you're interested on, please contact me at blah blah blah. Okay, this is one way that you can do it, so you don't have to go outside. But I think it doesn't hurt, because if you go outside, they might tell you that, yeah, we are interested in doing a video, for example. Oh yes, I can do that too. We are interested in making a website. Of course you can do that too. It's super easy to do it. Even if you don't have any knowledge, you can outsource it. So don't limit yourself that you can't do anything. You can do anything at all. You can just outsource it and earn a commission and have someone else doing it. So you don't need any technical skills to do this at all. Alright, so there you have it on how you can make $50 in PayPal commissions over and over again with affiliate marketing for beginners. Now, as I said earlier, you do find my #1 recommendation right here below on how you can make a full-time passive income online with affiliate marketing and much more. So make sure you check that out. You also find a link, of course, for a discounted price on Fast Comet there with web hosting if you're interested in that. If you got some value here, I really appreciate if you smash that like button below. It really helps. Make sure you subscribe to both my YouTube channels that you see at the end screen here. Hit the notification bell also so you can be notified every time I upload a new video. And you also find another Make Money Online video recommendation there. That's it for today. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you soon.